Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this 2016 Dodge Dart SXT Sedan. If you are looking for sporty, fun, and impressive handling, then this Dart should be a top contender on your list. This 5-passenger compact sedan with the remainder of its factory warranty has a Tigershark 2-litre flex fuel engine under the hood, which means it is spirited and fuel efficient. The SXT trim comes with many upgrades, including Bluetooth, upgraded cloth upholstery and interior trim, a sliding front armrest, 6-speaker sound system and premium wheels. To see the full list of specifications for this model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and experience its responsive handling, precise steering and overall pleasing driving dynamics for yourself. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.